Namaskar, Swami Sharnam. Jai Maharashtra. Once again back. My name is Suji Acharya. Which a bright, more than selling property, it's kind of a hobby for me to get into exclusive properties. Property which are one of a kind. You know, 17,500 lot size. Let me give you more surprises. 7 bedroom, 7 washrooms, elevated, huge. This is entire is just the elevation. Above this, there is a swimming pool. Huge driveway. This is the end. Nice U-turn driveway heading towards the bungalow. Let's have a tour of this property, which comes with one of a kind property ready to get, unfurnished, ready to sell, only for 13 crore 50 lakhs. Let's have a tour. Huge gated community, more than 200 bungalows. Next to Khandala, optimum utilization of the stone. इन्होंने जब खरीदा था, इन्होंने जमीन खरीदी थी, इस जमीन के ऊपर ये ब्यूटीफुल बंगला, nice cantilever done up. This entire would be your game zone, your theater, isn't that? Is a theater game zone. First floor, we have the bungalow, drawing room, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom on the ground floor, and 4 bedroom on the first floor, and 1 bedroom on the top, respectively. 7 bedroom, as I said rightly, beautiful cantilever bungalow, 17,500, and the carpet is like 10,000 plus. And let us head towards the amphitheater. 1,500 plus open space for amphitheater. Construct your own amphitheater. Construct your children's play, a garden. What are you going to create? You have this magical place to optimize just beside the driveway. Undisturbed, undivided. Let's have a look at the third washroom. So the entry is from here. हम अपने amphitheater को इस्तेमाल कर लेंगे. Now we want to head to our bungalow, which is entirely covered. We are heading to 2 bedrooms and lift, respectively. Now let's have a look at this. Landscaping and swimming pool or you call this as a gazebo or deck area or sit out area, whatever you want to call it. So we have huge open space, bank opposite to our bedroom, overlooking the Duke mountain. We have a washroom towards the main hall, which is quite big, with entirely glass facade, huge ceiling, triple side ceiling, the entire glass facade. Outside we have the drive to the main rooms, American bar kitchen, nice countertop with the marble work. Overlooking the mid-bridge waterfall. That's what I'm talking about. So let's explore the first floor of the property. मैं आपको बताऊंगा 7 BHK का 7 bedrooms. First floor 4 BHK, 4 master bedrooms. Let's have a look. Actually, before we start that, let me show you the mid-bridge waterfall. This is the mid-bridge. नीचे की तरफ, and we have a beautiful small garden. Simple line, optimum utilization of the stone. This rarely have seen anywhere around. Look at this. Beautiful mountain stone walk, which is natural. You are passing through the mid-bridge. Artificial waterfall. Entire layout of the glass facade pillar. And let's have a look at the bedrooms. Come. Opposite 2 bedrooms. Nice ceiling height. Overlooking the view coast and the pillar. Washroom out here. And this bedroom overlooking at our mid-bridge waterfall and a small garden, which is our personal, enclosed with the natural mountain. Screening work on the top with the POV. Quite huge space between both the bedrooms. 2 opposite bedrooms once again. More than 10 feet balcony, which is going with the curve towards the other room. Now look at the beauty of it. So we are actually curving the drawing room, the bedroom, and the second bedroom through the balcony and our landscaping and deck swimming pool respectively. Now let's have a look at the. Please show the washroom, the glass work, stainless steel. Let's explore. So this is nice marble basin, marble work out here with a glass facade heading towards our beautiful mid-bridge floor and the garden in between. Wooden bridge to pass by to our own balcony. We are done with this, and let's head towards the second floor of the bungalow. This is the top floor of this bungalow, and let me show you something really special. Huge lobby space out here, overlooking the mid-bridge waterfall. So we have a common washroom. You can come from the lift out here And we have this hidden small room which you can use as a storage room or kids room if you want to optimize. Let's explore. Slightly lower height, ending the cantilever. And since we haven't seen the terrace, let me explore you. And inside, majorly the society, this side is mostly 17,000, 15,000, 10,000 crowd size. So you have a nice cream neighbors around across of you. And we end this video here with a short notice. Looking forward for premium, genuine clients for this kind of property in a gated community of 200, more than 100 acre of land parcel. Looking forward. My name is Sochi Acharya. Thank you very much.